In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find PayPal transaction history. If you need to review past payments, check incoming money, or simply confirm the details of a recent transaction, PayPal makes it very straightforward to access your history right from your account dashboard. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can find your transaction records quickly and easily. Once you're on your PayPal account dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and click on Activity. This is the main section where PayPal stores your account transaction history, including payments sent, payments received, refunds, and other account-related activity. After you open the Activity section, you'll see your transactions history displayed on the screen. This list gives you an overview of your recent account activity, making it easy to scroll through and locate the transaction you want to review. Depending on your account usage, you may see a combination of completed payments, pending transactions, transfers, or other updates connected to your PayPal account. If you want to narrow down what you're seeing, click the icon at the top right to edit filters. This is especially helpful if you're trying to find a specific transaction and don't want to search through everything manually. Using filters can help you organize the list more efficiently, so you can focus on the type of activity you need to review. Once you've found a transaction you want to inspect more closely, click on it to see more information. Opening a transaction will typically show additional details, which can help you verify the payment or better understand the activity listed in your history. This is useful when you need more than just the basic summary shown in the main activity list. As a quick tip, if you're reviewing your account for record keeping or trying to confirm a payment, it's a good idea to carefully check the transaction details once you open them. That way you can make sure you're looking at the correct entry before taking any further action. And that's all there is to it. By going to the Activity tab, reviewing your transaction list, using the filter icon when needed, and clicking into individual transactions for more details, you can quickly find your PayPal transaction history. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.